Welcome back to another trade of the day. Today, Xela Technologies. Look, this is going to be short and sweet. It was such a great opportunity in the pre-market. We saw it printing volume. We knew it's been a mover for the last couple of days. I have the daily chart up right now. You can see back and forth and around the last couple of days. So that's the main point here, is that when you're looking to trade something in the pre-market, it has to have volume, it has to have direction, and the move has to be there. So we actually, let's start with our very first trade. And that was to buy and start to build a position right around here, 350, 360. So if you notice, these were some of these pre-market lows here. 330, 340. So we knew that we had a little bit of backing there if it went down. Personally, for me, on this early trade, I just would have used $3 even as my exit, but thank God we don't have to worry about that. Here it goes, in and in. Look where we're starting to get in here. It's 9 a.m. Maybe a lot of you don't have access to pre-market trading, but if you do, don't be shy. These aren't large positions because, again, with volume, although volume's not bad, but you can see what happens when the market opens. Volume bonanza on this name, Xela Technologies, today. In and in, and then we take out for 10 cents. Small little win. We take it about half of our trade there for 10 cents on VWAP because, again, the market's just about to get open and we don't really know what's going to happen. This is the key level right here, though. 380, I think it was 384, whatever it was, we've marked it off here. That was our go spot. So basically we were just taking a small position here, take a little bit of money in the pre-market, see how this works. But then you take these pre-market highs. For me, this is a no-brainer trade. We know that it's trying to ramp up. It's starting to go a little bit of back and forth. We like some of this action right there, telling us that there is some interest in the back and forth. Takes out this high, 385. That's where we go, and you can see here. That's the in. It does drop back down to VWAP. We are getting a little bit nervous, but remember, our out, you still got to stay strong. Like, I'm willing to take a hit on this one, so we probably use back end here, some of these lows as our out, just in case. 330, 340, we never get there, so we don't have to worry. Then bang, it goes to the upside. This is where the key sort of happens for me. We get out always at this $4 mark, bounces around. We feel pretty good about that. And then this is when we start to look at a little higher time frame. So we go over to the daily chart here, and really there's nothing in here. This is the stop spot at $4. So that's where we start to get out initially because, hey, look, that's a good spot. $4, we'll take that. We're long, what were we long? 380, 384 or so with an average price. So that's a good out right here around 410, 415, okay? And then this is the spot here. We talked about it on the show. A lot of traders asking, where is the ultimate out in this name, okay? All I could find here was 550. So we touched out to 550 there. This day up to 750. That's a spot there where, hey, if you're going to take an out, you might as well. Look where we go to today. Basically 540 as the high. But where do I get my last piece out? It's a good trade, I think. Up to $5. We basically get this break of 450. Bang, bang, goes up. Up, up. Look at the pushing. Look at the volume here. So that's perfect indicator for me. We take that out around $5. That's $1 in the money there. So on a $3 name, that's a good return. We'll take that for sure. And then look what happens, man. The best spot to get out would have been in here because you have that 550 and then there's the short. So missed opportunity on the short. Should have definitely paid for those shorts. Called up the broker and got a few shares there on the shortable side. But hey, look, if you're going to learn anything, we're taking the long on some pre-market activity, taking the pre-market break, getting out at 410, 415, then getting out at 5, okay? And then looking for a longer-term spot off the daily for that 550. So I actually almost think this is a better short because we did have it pegged. So that's Xela Technologies. It's your trade of the day. Makes a lot of sense to me. I hope you traded it. I know a lot of you did on our show. So catch us later on every day at 3:15 and catch us in the morning at 8:30 a.m. as we review some of these positions.